office casuals, whatever that means. Nobody knows. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Vidhi and today's video will be about office outfits. I'm gonna show you very comfortable and stylish office outfits today.
I know what you're thinking, that we are not going to offices. So why are you making an office outfits video? So what happened, my friends, is that my lovely phone on which I shoot my videos decided to get overheated and like a volcano destroyed all my footage which I shot for this week's video. So I had two options after that. First, to not upload any video this week and miss my deadline. Second, to shoot a low quality video and torture the eyes of my subscribers. But because I am me, I went with the third option. So I shot this video before the lockdown, but the time changed so quickly I never ended up uploading it. I know it would not have made any difference in your week if I missed a week's upload, but even if one person out there look forward for my videos, I don't want to disappoint them. So I hope you enjoy the video. Treat this as a vision board for future.
So let's get into it. So this is the first outfit. These are very well fitted tan color pants which are very comfortable. I have paired this with a very pretty pastel color top. The top and the pant goes really well together. It looks very nice. It's a great option for office or especially an office interview. Interviews can be a stressful situation, so it's very important to put your best foot forward and dress well to make that first impression a lasting one. Someone like me who have had a bunch of interview experiences, I feel that it's very important to dress well. It will give you that confidence which will help you to make that interview less awkward and less like an interview and more like a conversation, which can really help you in the long term. And I have paired this outfit with very simple black block heels. Investing in a block heels in colors like black and nude is a very good option. It goes well with almost all the office outfits. So this is a good option to wear on your office interview. It will help you convince that interviewer that your biggest weakness is attention to detail. I will link down all the details in the description box in case you want to check that out. So let's move on. So this is the second look. These are very well fitted black pants. I've paired it with a shirt. Black pants are very versatile article of clothing, so everyone should have this. You can pair it with different kind of upperwear with tops and shirts. It's a great option for somebody who works in a corporate. A corporate usually have a lot of restrictions, so investing in long silhouettes will be more beneficial. So many people do not dress up because they are already tired from their work. But I feel it's more important to take some time out to dress up. It will be a time that you will be focusing on yourself. That can make a huge difference in your day. I've only worked for 9 months in a corporate, but I know how frustrating sometimes it can get. So taking some time out to invest in yourself is a very good idea, and you can do that. Start of your day, choose a good outfit which you know that you will feel good when you will put on, so that will help you to actually bear the day even if it is bad. Also, a styling tip: please do not pair a white shirt with a black pants unless you work in hospitality industry. Then you can go all out. Moving on, it's a really good option especially for the days when you don't feel like going to work. So a pop of color can actually motivate you to drag yourself to the workplace. So when it's time for your appraisal, your enemy, your superior will have no excuses. I've also paired this outfit with a tan color bag. It goes really well with the outfit. I'm also wearing this grey color round neck shirt to break down some of the color. It's a great option if you are an intern or work in a company with more relaxed environment. It's also a good option as an office casuals, whatever that means. Nobody knows. There are times when these companies go through that dress down phase but still somehow they keep that above the knee and below the knee skirt rule. I feel it is very rude to expect an employee to own so much of fabric. In early centuries, owning a lot of fabric and wearing so many layers were directly connected to how rich they were and kind of salaries people get these days. Moving on, this is one of the most comfortable looks that you can go for. These pants are flared and ankle length, so if you're somebody who works long hours, these pants will keep you comfortable. I paired it with the top with this necktie and it somehow looks like a real tie and gives that professional look. This is a great look for somebody who works in a marketing or a sales department, somebody who has to travel a lot for work meetings. So this will keep you comfortable while traveling in this heat and traffic and still give you that professional look. I have paired this outfit with nude kitten heels. As I said before, investing in colors like nude and black is a good idea. It goes well with everything. And I have completed this look with this simple silver watch. You can pair it with any watch that you like. This is a great look to be comfortable and still look stylish while maintaining that professionalism. Moving on, this is a suit, also known as a power suit. This outfit will actually give you that confidence to go out there and ask for that pending promotion which is long overdue, and will also give you some power to throw some punches on that casual sexism which we are sick and tired of. This is a great option to make a statement. I feel everyone should at least own one suit, but because suits can be expensive, before buying a suit, keep in mind to choose a color which you can use easily on different occasions and also can pair it with different things, wearing a blazer with different pants or pants with a different upperwear. I have paired this outfit with a pink shirt to give it a pop of color. This is a great outfit for the days that you want to feel a little more confident or make a statement. It gives you that very professional business look which is required sometimes. I know it is little weird to expect from a piece of clothing so much, but wearing a suit does make me feel a little more powerful. When I was working in an office, although I knew that I was there for a short period of time, but it was so hard to ignore the imbalance of power dynamic between the sexes. So it can come in handy to wear something powerful and make that statement out there. Unfortunately, casual sexism is very common in offices. How important it is to talk about all of these things openly, not just because to tell guys, but to educate women also. Because it has been going on for such a long time, women have been desensitized to stuff. They've been ignoring it. Sometimes it is hard for women to actually acknowledge that they have encountered sexism in their workplace. Stop making sexist jokes. Stop laughing at sexist jokes. Point out to your friends that this is not right. So I hope we all do our parts. I hope you guys liked this video and got something out of this. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button and that bell button and share it with your family and friends. And comment down below about your thoughts and suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Be kind.